Heavy rains in Meghalaya since yesterday have led to huge destruction in different parts of the state. East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner S.C. Sadhu said that around 21 families have been affected in Maurinkneng block, followed by 8 in Mauplang block and 1 in Maukanrao block. According to the DC, the relief in terms of CGI sheets would be granted to the affected families by today. Meanwhile, as turbulent weather is continuing in different parts of the district administration is in touch with line departments to ensure that all emergencies are attended to at the earliest.
So essentially the 3 blocks affected in our district, primarily that is one heavy in the severest is in Maurinkneng block and followed by Mauplang block and Maukanrao block. So in Maurinkneng we have, as per these initial reports, that around 21 families are affected. So where their houses are fully damaged, where the roof was flown away, and same around 8 families are affected in Mauplang block. So which is in Mongop and Mauplang, and there is, as per our initial report, 1 family is affected in Maukanrao block.